Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Brio Direct Bank. Now, I know what you're thinking. You're probably wondering, who owns Brio Direct Bank? And that's a great question. Before I answer that question, though, I want to talk a little bit about what Brio Direct Bank is. Brio Direct Bank is a digital bank that offers a variety of banking services, including checking accounts, savings accounts, and loans. The bank is relatively new, having been founded in 2021. But it has already gained a lot of traction, thanks to its innovative products and services. So, who owns Brio Direct Bank? The answer is, Brio Direct Bank is owned by a group of investors, including Warburg Pincus, a global private equity firm with over $100 billion in assets under management. Tiger Global, a global hedge fund with over $100 billion in assets under management. General Atlantic, a global private equity firm with over $500 billion in assets under management. Excel, a global venture capital firm with over $20 billion in assets under management. Lightspeed Venture Partners, a global venture capital firm with over $15 billion in assets under management. As you can see, Brio Direct Bank is backed by some very deep pockets. This gives the bank the financial stability and resources it needs to grow and succeed. Brio Direct Bank's products and services. Now that we know who owns Brio Direct Bank, let's take a look at some of its products and services. Checking accounts. Brio Direct Bank offers a variety of checking accounts, including free checking accounts, interest-bearing checking accounts, and business checking accounts. Savings accounts. Brio Direct Bank offers a variety of savings accounts, including high-yield savings accounts and CDs. Loans. Brio Direct Bank offers a variety of loans, including personal loans, auto loans, and mortgage loans. Credit cards. Brio Direct Bank offers a variety of credit cards, including cashback credit cards, travel credit cards, and business credit cards. Brio Direct Bank's products and services are designed to meet the needs of a wide range of customers. Whether you're a student, a young professional, or a business owner, Brio Direct Bank has a product or service that's right for you. Brio Direct Bank's advantages. There are a number of advantages to banking with Brio Direct Bank. No fees. Brio Direct Bank does not charge any fees for checking accounts, savings accounts, or online banking. High interest rates. Brio Direct Bank offers some of the highest interest rates on checking and savings accounts. Excellent customer service. Brio Direct Bank has a team of experienced customer service representatives who are always available to help you. Convenient. Brio Direct Bank is a digital bank, which means that you can bank from anywhere, at any time. Brio Direct Bank's disadvantages. There are also a few disadvantages to banking with Brio Direct Bank. Limited branch network. Brio Direct Bank does not have any physical branches. This can be inconvenient for some people who prefer to do their banking in person. Limited customer support. Brio Direct Bank's customer support is available online and by phone only. This can be frustrating for some people who prefer to speak to a customer service representative in person. Overall, I think Brio Direct Bank is a great option for people who are looking for a convenient and affordable banking experience. The bank offers a wide range of products and services, and it has a strong financial backing. If you're considering banking with Brio Direct Bank, I encourage you to do your research and compare it to other banks before making a decision. With that said, thanks for watching. And until next time, stay safe and healthy.